In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the background eraser brush in Affinity. By the end, you'll know how to cleanly remove a background while keeping important edge detail like hair, fabric threads, and soft shadows intact. Start by making sure you're working in the right place for pixel editing. In Affinity apps, the tools that actually paint and erase live in the pixel environment. Look for the option labeled Pixel near the top of the interface and click it so the pixel tools become available. You'll know you're in the right mode when the standard brush and erase tools appear in your toolbar, along with their settings across the top. Next, choose the background erase brush. It shares space with the regular erase brush, so if you don't see it immediately, click and hold on the erase tool icon to reveal the background erase option. Once selected, take a moment to glance at the context toolbar. This is where you control how the brush behaves. Adjust your brush size to roughly match the area you're erasing. You can quickly nudge it larger or smaller with the bracket keys. Set hardness lower for soft, feathery edges and higher for crisp objects. Most importantly, look for the tolerance setting. A low tolerance targets a very specific color, which is safer around delicate edges. A higher tolerance removes a broader range of similar colors, which speeds up large flat areas like skies or studio backdrops. If your version offers sampling modes, continuous is great when the background color shifts across the image, while once helps when the background is uniform. Now brush over the background you want to remove. Aim the crosshair at the color you intend to erase and keep your strokes controlled, especially near your subject. The tool samples the color under the crosshair and removes matching pixels within the brush circle, so try to keep that crosshair away from your subject's edge. Work in passes. Use broader strokes in open areas, then reduce brush size and tolerance as you approach fine details. Zoom in for precision around hair, fur, or semi-transparent materials, and use short, overlapping strokes to avoid nibbling into the subject. If you see fringing or you remove too much, step back with undo, lower the tolerance, or soften the brush hardness and try again. Continue around the entire subject, adjusting brush size and tolerance as needed, until the background is cleanly erased and the edges look natural.